Bitcoin forecast July. Bitcoin currently ranging at 30k. What will be the next scenario? Will Bitcoin break the 32k resistance, aiming for higher levels, or will Bitcoin fall to the next support level around 28k? Let's find it out in today's technical analysis. Today I will analyze Bitcoin USDT, HORIZEN USDT, AIRBNB, Ethereum Classic USDT, BMW, and Ethereum. Let's kick off with Bitcoin, starting at the monthly chart. June was a green month. July opened slightly green as well. So still moving upwards. And let's go to the weekly. The weekly closure is in about 14 hours. Very important how we will close this week. A small green candle, but I do hope to close above the 30,300 of the last high. So we have a gain of the last high also. That will be very nice. Yeah, just above the white line, the 30,300 will be very nice. If not, then it's a rejection of the last high. Okay. I will make last week's plan visible and change to the daily. I see we do have some compression the last few days. The aggressive play is already tested, the 29,500. That was the high over here. So yeah, it's already tested. So I expect a big move coming days. And actually the plan remains the same. So last week's plan is still active, either scenario A, B, or C, all three still in play. You can play them on the community tab of the YouTube page. And so, okay, that's the plan for Bitcoin the coming days. And from Bitcoin, I will go to HORIZEN USDT, starting at the monthly chart. As you can see, the previous low was over here, and now we are finding support just at the top of the previous low range here. And from the monthly, I will change to the weekly. At the weekly chart, we did had a nice rally, about 79%, but at the weekly chart, still a rejection of the last drop off over here. I will make the plan visible. I've drawn this in June the 4th. Let me see. Yeah, June the 4th. These were the scenarios. You can find it in on the YouTube page. I will post a link in the description, and also at the right corner, top corner of the video. So if you had played this one, then you could have had 78% profit. So congratulations if you did. Very nice. These were the support areas as I've drawn in June the 4th. Okay, so what's the scenario for now? The daily, at the daily we do have a gain of the drop off over here, the $8.10, but still not above the $8.68. I do prefer to see a higher gain. Let's go to the 4-hour, see what we have over here. Yeah, at the 4-hour we do have a gain above the $8.68. Okay. So the scenarios for Horizon, this one is still active. Actually, I do prefer to see a daily gain just above the $8.68. So if we do, then you can play the aggressive play at the pullback at $8.68. This one, no, okay. I will add some new scenarios. So either a test of $6.90 and try to break the $8.68. And if we lose the $6.91, then we will probably go back all the way to $5.42. And because on the higher time frame, then you can consider this as a high, a low, lower high, lower low, another lower high. That's why I prefer to see a daily gain above the $8.68, so the construction higher time frame is changed. Okay, so from Horizon USDT I will go to AIRBNB. Currently at the monthly chart, nice green candle. We're having some resistance from here, the previous high range. From the monthly I will change to the weekly. Weekly gains of the drop off over here. Also this one. Yeah, okay. We have a low, and high, and higher low, and now we try to break the last high, aiming for an high high. And I will make the scenarios of February the 19th visible. Here they are. So if you have played this one, you can, I will post this one also in the description or at the right top corner. Then you could have had 27% profit. So congratulations if you did. Very nice. These were the scenarios of February the 19th. You can find it on my YouTube page. Okay, so this one played out. Very nice. And now we are at the important point. What will it be? Will we print a higher high? or will it be a rejection? If we print an higher high, then this scenario is active. Then we will test probably around 163, and then you can enter on the pullback at 121. And if we don't print an higher high, then it's a rejection of the last high of 131. And that means that we will probably go back to the start of the impulse. Yeah, and then I will even aim for a aiming for a lower entry, let's say around $80.88, and then try to break the current 131. So yeah, these are the scenarios for AIRBNB, and from AIRBNB I will go to Ethereum Classic, starting at the monthly chart. Bitcoin Cash did have a nice rally this week, so might be interesting for Ethereum Classic to see what we can do here. From the monthly I will change to the weekly. So nice green weeks. Still no weekly gain of the last drop off over here, the $18.54, and this week won't be possible to gain it, but only an high. So next week is possible to gain this drop off area. Okay, I'll draw some levels. So we did face some resistance at $22.86. And from the weekly I will change to the daily. At the daily chart, we do have the daily gains of $18.54 that was printed yesterday. Very nice, also above the whole lower range part. So if you consider this as the low range, we printed the gain here yesterday. Very nice. And you can see also a low, a high, and higher low, and higher high. Very nice. So let's find an interesting point to enter for a long. The $21 is very important. It was support over here, resistance over here. So a lot of volume around this level. Okay. So the scenarios will be either a test between $18 and $18.50, and then try to create a higher high, aiming for 22 or even higher, $25. The aggressive play is already tested, I see. So also possible to continue the upwards movement and try to break the $25 from here. Back to the 4-hour. Okay, you can see it on the 4-hour chart. Here we have a small wick, tested this already. So yeah. Back to the daily. Yeah, and if it loses support of the $18, then we will probably go back all the way to the start of the impulse around $14. So these are the scenarios for Ethereum Classic, and from Ethereum Classic I will go to BMW, starting at the monthly chart, currently heading all-time highs. So I will draw some levels. So the all-time high is here at 123.76. Okay, from the monthly I will change to the weekly. Okay, very nice. How much was it? From the low till now, 65%. Wow, insane. Okay, I'll draw some scenarios. Either a rejection of the all-time high, and then either aggressive play at around $91 and try to aim for the all-time high again. So the upwards movement then is still valid because you have a low, an high, an higher low, and a potential higher high. So this is the aggressive play. Or you can go for the defensive play. And that is either at $83.50 or even lower at around 77 or $78. But it will take some time to be there. Or if we print a new all-time high, also gain the last all-time high, then you can go in way more aggressive, let's say around 101, continuing the upwards movement. So these are the 4 scenarios for BMW, and from BMW I will go to Ethereum, starting at the monthly chart. Still looking weaker than Bitcoin current time. Ethereum did print a nice green candle last month in June, currently slightly red in July. A nice test of the top part of the range over here. Okay, from the monthly I will change to the weekly. Nice test also over here. This week still less than 14 hours to go. So let's see how Ethereum will close this week. And I will make last week's plan visible. And from the weekly, I will change to the daily. So as one of the scenarios I've drawn in, you can see the resistance over here, the 1891. There was a lot of resistance. You could have played a short in price over there, and that will lead to a profit of more than 3%. So very nice. Congratulations if you did. By the way, this scenario is not valid anymore. This one still is. I do prefer to see a daily gain just above the 1995 to play this one out. And because we did have a lot of resistance over here, I expect support over here. This one is not valid anymore. So it's also still possible that we go back to the 1891 small test and try to break the 1998. Or just a wick below, and then let's say a test of 1845 and try to aim for the 1998. If Ethereum loses support of the 1845, then the next test will be around 1776. So that's the plan for Ethereum the coming days. Smash the like button, join Team NakedTrader, subscribe, follow me in the socials. You can find it in the banner in the description down below. Thank you guys for watching today's video and see you in the next one, Wednesday. Have a nice Sunday and cheers.